Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add data labels in Excel pivot chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key to select the entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group have a pivot chart option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the first option pivot chart. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, create pivot chart. So here arrange here automatically selected, then you can choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. So default selected new worksheet, just click the new worksheet and click on OK, and that's it. Here the new worksheet is added with the pivot chart fields, with the pivot chart analysis, design tab and format tab. So in pivot chart fields, so I just drag the fields below the area to create the pivot chart with the pivot table also automatically created. So I just drag the date in filters, product in categories, excise, and total price in values. See here, your pivot chart is ready with the pivot table also. So here I'm going to add the data label. So I just close this pivot chart fields. Then click on the plus sign and click on the data label. So here you can see data label option. Just click on the box and that's it. You can see data label is added. You just drag the corner point and increase the size of the pivot chart. Okay. If you want to add the product also with the amount of sales amount, we just click on plus sign. Again, go to the data labels option. Click on the arrow and click on the more option. Okay. So in more option, you can add here the labels option. You can add the categories name. You can see the categories name also added here. If you want to add the series name, you can add the series name. Series name is a total, the column name. So add here category name. Okay. You can set the position of label also, center, inside end, inside base, outside end. Okay. And if you want to remove the category name, you can just untick this option and you can see it. If you want to add only category name, remove the value, see the only category name here showing. So this is a way you can add the labels. Okay. If you want to fill color, okay, just in the label option, click on the fill and line. And in fill, you can fill here colors. So just click on the solid fill and you can select here the different color to fill your labels. See your label showing with yellow colors. Okay. You can add the border also on your label. So your border option, solid line, just drag below. You can select here the different color of border also. You can increase the thickness of border. See the changes in labels. The thickness of border also increase. Okay. So this is a way you can add the labels, data labels in pivot chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.